In a remote quadrant of the galaxy, a hero factory outpost comes under attack. The heroes are quick to respond, but their targets, the vicious Fire Lord and his minions, are too strong.
Our weapons are useless. Fall back!
The heroes find themselves quickly overwhelmed.
I'll hold them up.
But Surge makes a dangerous decision, and the others are forced to leave him behind. Back at the Hero Factory, the scientists, technicians, and engineers implement a completely new, more flexible hero-building system. Stronger than ever, Stormer, Inferno, and Breeze make a swift return to the refueling station. Will the heroes complete their mission? Join the battle with a new LEGO Hero Factory.